Hi there. I'm Ellen Johnson. I'm the owner of Serendipity Needleworks and I'm the founder of the Stitchers Club. And I'm here to invite you to participate in a brand new challenge that I've just issued to all of my followers and to all of my new followers too, if you'd like to join us. It's actually over on the Serendipity Needleworks website, and it's in celebration of the this month, which is National Needlepoint Month. So I'm going to share with you how to get to the Serendipity Needleworks website and show you and tell you a little bit about this challenge and how it's going to work, because the more the merrier. It starts on Monday, so I need to tell you that. It starts on Monday, September the 14th, and it's going to run for 3 weeks. We'll get together every day, weekday that is, Monday through Friday, in the evening. Want to make sure that everybody who has a 9 to 5 has an opportunity to join us too. And so we're going to get together at 8 o'clock Central Time, and I'm going to share a brand new stitch with you every single day. So I would love, before we do that though, for you to tell me where you're watching from. Say hello and let me know where you are in this great big wonderful world that we live in. And if you're watching this as a recording, please make sure that you do that as well, because it's always great fun for me to see who's with me and where you're watching from. And so before we do make that move over to the Serendipity Needleworks website, I also want to invite you to ask any questions that you may have. Just type those in the chat and or in the comments rather, and I'll answer those as I see those pop up. And there is just a tiny little bit of a delay between when you type those in and when I actually see them. So just know I'll make sure that I get your questions answered, but there may be just a little bit of a delay. So, all right, I see we've got, goodness gracious, at all the people popping in. So this is great. We just wrapped up an inner circle call with the Stitchers Club, and I thought, well, I need to hop over here and make sure that even though we posted about the new blog post here on the Serendipity Needleworks page, I need to make sure that I hop on and just make the announcement. So I'm delighted, like I said, to be here with you. So this is great. Look at all these folks. Wonderful. So I'm so glad to have you here with me. Again, brand new challenge that is going to begin on Monday, September the 14th, 8 o'clock p.m. Central Time. And it's all about 15 essential stitches that I think every needlepointer should know. And it's my gift to you as as one of my followers or one of my students in celebration of National Needlepoint Month. So I'm going to be sharing a new stitch Monday through Friday at 8 o'clock Central Time. There is a registration. Now, it's free. It's completely free, but you do need to sign up so that you can get the link, because it's going to be done or hosted on Zoom. So you have to be able to get the link and the password to be able to access the live event. And all of these are going to be recorded. I've actually created a private Facebook group too, and the recordings will be posted there, and they'll be in the private Facebook group for you to watch if you can't join us live. I know not everybody's going to be able to make every single session, so I wanted to make sure that everybody that wants to participate has the chance to catch up if you do want to do that. So I am going to share my screen now with y'all. So let me go and do that. And so now you should be able to see, this is the Serendipity Needleworks website. And let me click, on this. Let me get to the post. And that brings you to our celebration canvas. Isn't that the cutest thing ever? That's a Laurel Wheeler Designs canvas, and I couldn't pass that one up. I think it's just precious and perfect for our celebration. So the 2020 Stitch Challenge, basically what I'm asking you to do is stitch a sample along with me, and what you'll be doing is, as you stitch your samples, I would love for you to take pictures of those and then share them with on social media, either on Facebook or on Instagram, and use the hashtag. I'm going to go ahead and type it into the chat or the comment box. It's hashtag Stitch Challenge. And that way, if you type that into or add that with your picture, then that'll help me find those pictures. And that's going to be the way that we're going to be able to keep up with who posted pictures, and we're going to be able to assign points, because for the number of pictures that you post, you'll get points for every picture, and we have some prizes that we're going to be sharing. So let me stop the share just a sec. Oh, one thing I did want to do, let me put the link in here for you there's the link for you to sign up if you would like to join us. Like I said, it's completely free, so all you have to do is click on that link and then just pre-register, and you'll automatically get the welcome email, and then we'll be sending emails out next week to let you know, to remind you when we're going to be starting, and to give you updates on the week or throughout the week as we continue through the challenge. So it's, like I said, going to begin on Monday, September the 14th. So we'll meet Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Take a break on Saturday and Sunday. You can count those 2 days as your days to get caught up if you happen to get a little behind. And you can, during these sessions that I'm going to be hosting live on Zoom, I'll be sharing with you how to do the stitch. And you'll also, as part of part of being a participant, you'll get a stitch diagram for these stitches. So again, every day you'll get an email to remind you that we're going to be going live at 8 o'clock that night. You'll have the link to the Zoom call. You'll also be invited to join the private Facebook group if you'd like to do that. And this is just, like I said, my little way of celebrating the National Needlepoint Month, and to do kind of a give back to everyone who has so graciously been a follower, a reader, and it's just kind of, and it's also my birthday month. I mean, what can I say? It's my reverse birthday present to y'all. My birthday's at the end of September, so I'm gifting this to y'all as as a thank you for being a part of our community. So anyway, what you'll do is, you're going to want to, if you're going to participate, you're going to want to, there's some supplies that you're going to need. So you're going to want to have, I would say, some blank canvas, either 13 or 18 mesh canvas. You also are going, and let me put the link also to the post. This is the link to the post at the website so that you can go directly to that. Let's see. Yeah, that's it right there. Just want to make sure I give you the right one. So there's some supplies that are listed on the blog post, and I would love for you to, to utilize your local needlework shops if you have one in your hometown. If you don't have one and you have questions about who you can contact, if you would do me a favor, in the comments part on the blog post, say, help, I need some help with supplies, and I'll be happy to share some resources with you. We'll also be sharing some of those resources inside of the Facebook group for people who are going to be participating. And again, like I said, you'll just need some canvas. You can use any kind of thread that you want to use. So this is a good opportunity to use up your scraps. And I would suggest that you use a smooth thread and threads that are either light or medium in color. You don't want to use dark threads, because it's going to be hard to see the stitches, the definition of each individual stitch in the pattern. So you want something that's going to be light and easy to see, or a medium tone that's going to be easier to see. And of course, then whatever size needle for the canvas that you're going to be using, if you're going to be using a size 13 canvas or 14 canvas, then you'll want a size 22 tapestry needle. And if you're going to be using an 18 mesh canvas, then you'll want to use a 24 tapestry needle. So, like I said, we have some really great prizes that we're going to be sharing. I've already secured some laying tools, some needle minders, some silk ribbons. Let me see, I'm looking back at the blog post, some tapestry needles, and some stitch books. So some really fun prizes. And like I said, I always share extra tips and hints and that kind of, and different tactics and strategies and things in the different broadcasts that I do. So I would love for you to participate live if you can. I will have to say, you're going to get bonus points for showing up live. So try and be there in person if you can. If you can't, don't worry about it. No reason to fret, because there will be the recordings that you can watch inside of the Facebook group. So I hope that you will join me. Again, thank you for your time. Thank you for being here with me. If you are watching this as a recording, of course, please do, again, tell me where you're watching from. And then too, if you know anybody that you think might enjoy participating too, feel free to share this with them, because as I said at the beginning, the more the merrier. Thank you so much for being here with me this evening, for taking time out of your schedule to stop and listen. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day. And until next time, happy stitching. Bye for now.